like popcorn chicken?
I don't know, because it's chicken, you know, everybody likes fried chicken, right?
Yes. And I remember eating this for the first time in a Taiwanese night market. These are beautifully golden nuggets of fried chicken, and it's always served with fried Thai basil. So really, really nice fragrance.
So today we are going to cook outside because the weather is pretty nice in Chicago, and so we set the table up, and so let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
Let's go.
So first of all, we will have to marinate the chicken with all the ingredients here, which I will list them down below in the description box for your reference. Here we have 3 pounds of chicken diced into cubes, 1.5 teaspoons of sarawak white pepper, yes, Malaysia's pepper is the best, 9 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of 5-spice powder, salt to taste, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or rice wine. Now we mix everything into a bowl and let it marinate for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. If you wish, you can also let it sit overnight. This recipe is made for at least 6 to 8 people. We made a lot to share with friends and family, but you can definitely downsize the recipe. After marinating, beat 3 eggs and mix it with the chicken, and we are ready to fry!
Alright, so here's our setup that we got out here today for cooking our popcorn chicken. So first we have our marinated chicken. This has been marinating for about half an hour, 45 minutes. We're going to take that, we're going to dredge it in potato starch right here. And then that's going to go straight into our hot oil right here. We're going to deep fry the popcorn chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes. That should give us enough time to cook in the middle and give a nice crispy coating. From there, it's going to go to this tray with paper towels to cool. And we got a tray that we're going to put on top of it just because it's a bit windy today. We don't want stuff falling into there. So, but we're going to make sure we leave some opening just so that there's enough air that gets out so that we don't get condensation, we don't get mushy. Okay, so let's get frying, shall we? The chicken is in. We're going to just dredge everything so we get a nice coat. Potato starch. Potato starch is really nice because it's not like flour where it gets super gummy. It's just a nice, kind of very fine. It's gonna get really crispy. There it goes.
Wow! Yeah, so excited!
Ready to take some out. Look at that. I can feel it. It's like so crisp. Look at that. That's beautiful.
As the popcorn chicken is cooling, we sprinkle on a spice mix to season the chicken. For this, we used an old white pepper bottle to get an even coat on the chicken. Our spice mix has 2 parts white pepper to 1 part Chinese 5-spice to 1 part very fine salt. If you like spicy chicken, feel free to also add chili powder or just customize the spice mix to your liking. Next, we fry some Thai basil. These take literally seconds to cook in the oil.
Ready? It's gonna pin and blow up. I'm gonna have to put this over right away, okay? Okay, going over.
So dinner is ready!
Yes.
Yay!
Ready.
Are you excited for this?
Of course I'm excited.
Thank you for
popcorn.
cooking.
It's my pleasure because I get to eat it. So.
Okay, so we'll dig in now. Let's go. Pick a piece.
I'm gonna take the big piece.
Okay.
Just because I can.
And then a basil.
Yes, gotta eat it with the basil.
Yes.
Crispy fried basil.
Yeah. Okay, with the basil, go.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Are you supposed to eat? can't even eat it.
Really good. Just like the night market.
Yeah. Oh, so good. It's not too salty. Yeah. And then it's very fragrant. This basil is so crunchy. Yeah, so if you try this recipe, comment down below if you like it. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video.
Yeah.
So I'll see you next time. We're gonna keep eating. Bye-bye.
Bye.
He's gonna 偷吃